Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 2nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. But it's a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 storm system here moving across the country, and you can see them moving into the Pacific Northwest. And also we got one exit stage east off the East Coast that's bringing some winter weather to the northeastern U.S. that will continue to pull away toward New Brunswick, the St. John's Island over here as well, and Nova Scotia as well. Scattered activity in the tropical Atlantic, scattered activity of South America, Central America, also over toward Mexico. You can see the subtropical jet funneling in a lot of moisture. You see this activity right in here over off the Mexican coast, Baja region of California. Got another storm system up here. These systems are going to combine and maybe bring some wintry precipitation to portions of the Carolinas, and also some heavy rainfall as well. We'll continue to monitor that as we get closer to the event. You can see there's another storm system here which will affect the area coming into the Washington, Oregon state. Should be coming in on your Wednesday. So alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And we're going to take a look at your local forecast for your Wednesday. And thank you for tuning in, and continue to tune in to my forecast channel. And let's see if we can hit that 1,000 subscriber mark coming up by maybe around the next couple of months here. So if you know anybody want to join, make sure you tell them to subscribe, and so we can get them numbers climbing, folks. Alrighty, we got a lot of snow across the board here. You can see we got snow in Maine, down to Vermont, New York State, to Pennsylvania, to Ohio, to Indiana, back to portion of Iowa, also Missouri, up to Minnesota, Wisconsin, Lake Superior, Michigan, Lake Huron, over to Minnesota, Wisconsin, through the Dakotas, Montana, portion of Idaho, down to Utah, Colorado, also portion of Kansas. You're included in that as well. New Mexico and Arizona. Got some heavy snow over portion of Colorado, down in New Mexico, a little bit up here around northern Michigan, northern New York State, a little bit pocket over here in areas of Nevada. Got some heavy rain and freezing rain, excuse me, over in Washington State, Oregon. More freezing rain, Mississippi to Tennessee, over toward portions of eastern Tennessee, maybe the tip of western North Carolina. You got mixed precipitation also in effect for portion western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina. You're included as well. Back toward Arkansas, and also more over here toward Texas, New Mexico, and Arizona. Also in the portion of Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Nevada, and portion of Utah as well, right along the Canadian-U.S. border. A little bit of mixed precipitation up here in portion of New Brunswick, to eastern Maine, down toward Rhode Island, and also toward Connecticut. We got some thunderstorms and showers down across South Texas, stretching to Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, and the northern and northwestern Gulf. Even got some shower activity from Texas to Georgia and portion of western South Carolina as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to your Thursday forecast now. And it should roll out something like this here. Okay, we got snow flying up here in portions of New Brunswick, to Maine, to Pennsylvania, to West Virginia, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Lake Superior, Lake Huron, northern Minnesota, through the Dakotas, back through Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, also in the portion of Idaho, Utah, portion of Mexico. Got some freezing rain over here in portions of Washington State, Idaho. Got mixed precipitation there as well. Portion of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Nevada, portion of northwest Utah. Got more mixed precipitation, freezing rain from Arkansas to Tennessee to western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina, northern Georgia, Alabama, and portion of northern Mississippi. Got some snow flying in New Mexico as well. Got some shower activity from Texas all the way to South Carolina and Georgia. Thunderstorms and showers from Texas over toward the Florida Panhandle and northwestern Gulf along that area of low pressure that's developing down in the Gulf. So alrighty, otherwise expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. And I forgot to say shower activity over in western portion of Washington and Oregon states as well. Alright, now let's move on to the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisories from Maine and Vermont, New Hampshire, down toward Connecticut and ports of Massachusetts. More winter weather advisories over here in areas of Pennsylvania and also West Virginia, areas of New Mexico, Colorado, a couple counties in South Dakota, also Montana and Wyoming. You got a winter storm warning there, a couple counties there in areas of southern Colorado. Got some special weather statements in portions of southern Washington State, northern areas of Oregon. Frost advisories along coast of California. Got some cold weather advisories over portions of central Florida. Small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the Florida coast. Got some storm warnings in the purple out in the offshore, about 250 nautical miles offshore. Small craft advisories also from Southern California, Washington State. Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. We got some freeze and spray warnings, storm warnings along the Alaska coast, inland area. We still got an ice storm warning, winter storm warning, and also winter weather advisory for Alaska. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook's going to roll out something like this. Just general thunderstorms expected along the Gulf Coast, from portions of Brownsville, Texas, over toward New Orleans. Day 3 pretty much the same from Texas, maybe stretching over toward Mobile, Alabama, but could not rule out a severe thunderstorm anywhere from New Orleans down toward Brownsville, Texas. Alright, snowfall totals. Next 16 days rolls out like this. Heavy snow over portions of New Brunswick to Maine to New York State, a little bit in West Virginia, much of Canada as well. Also out west in the Rocky Mountains from portions of New Mexico over toward Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Montana. Also through Utah, Nevada, and Wyoming region. We got about a 10-inch snowfall total over portion of Nebraska, 5 inches maybe stretching over toward Iowa, and also portion areas of Missouri. Even got snowfall over portions of North Carolina as well. Some of that snowfall total could sneak down into the northern portion of South Carolina as well. Something I will continue to monitor through the remainder of the week. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.